Introducing Phoenix, the future of illuminated art. A Phoenix blend of architectural elegance with intelligent lighting. A statement piece that speaks without words. Crafted with textured surface and a golden stainless steel accent, every detail is made to elevate your interior with presence and purpose. Users can explore endless color options and see the transformation happen live, right from their phone. Set your light your way. Choose any color, dive into curated color cards, or explore ready-made combinations. Let your heart decide. A scene for every story. Select from seasonal styles like Christmas and Halloween, or craft your own unique vibe. Your space, your celebration. Phoenix doesn't just hang on your wall. It hears your music, feels your energy, and responds with a symphony of light. Phoenix doesn't just illuminate. It connects, reacts, and becomes part of your atmosphere. Schedule once, and Phoenix handles the rest. On, off, countdowns, or weekly routines. Your light, your rules. Back our project on Kickstarter and bring the Phoenix home.